I'm about to withdraw my $112 from my RedotPay affiliate program, and I'm going to explain how I've made this money and how you can do it as well. So here we are in the RedotPay affiliate program. I can go ahead and claim this $112. I can send it to my RedotPay account or to an external crypto wallet. Now I'm going to show you how I've actually generated this $112. I'll explain as well how you can make money as well with this RedotPay affiliate program. And I'll also leave a link if you want to go ahead and sign up in the description to actually promote this crypto debit card and start making money, because maybe you have some friends that are also in the crypto space that you could recommend this card to, and you can earn commission literally every time they spend. So here is the RedotPay affiliate program. Again, if you click on the link in the description, you'll be able to sign up. You can turn referrals into real rewards, and anybody can become an affiliate for RedotPay. Now, if you're unsure what RedotPay actually is, it's a crypto debit card which allows people to spend their cryptocurrencies with a physical or a virtual debit card. So what we can do, we can go ahead and sign up for the RedotPay affiliate program. You can get your own link to a landing page, and then when people click on your link, they'll get a $5 bonus, and you'll earn commissions when they buy a physical card or when they spend on both their virtual and their physical card. So if we go to my RedotPay affiliate program here, you can see I've got $112 to be withdrawn. And if I go to reports here and conversions reports, if we go to all, we can see that my commissions are coming from card purchases here and when people also spend money on the card. Now this all adds up because once you've got someone signed up, you're earning commission, and I get 40% on any cards that have been purchased and also 0.25% on card spend. So if you want to promote this, you can go to the link in the description. Now, how exactly do you send traffic to it? It's the $1,000,000 question. Well, what I did is I just created some very simple videos, just like this one, showing how to use the RedotPay card. And I put my affiliate link in the description, how to order the physical card again. And then this one here has my link as well. So you can make short tutorials explaining how to do it. You can maybe go into Facebook groups, or if you have a network of friends in online communities, you can go ahead and share your link, because when someone clicks on your link and they're new to it, they are going to get $5 for free. So if you actually want to get RedotPay, I'll also leave that link in the description below as well. So you can actually go ahead and get the card, show yourself getting the card, and perhaps upload some YouTube videos to get some affiliate traffic rolling in. So let me just withdraw this. To withdraw it, we can send it here to my RedotPay account, and I need to enter in my RedotPay UID, which I can get from the app. Once I've done that, I can enter the amount. So I'm going to enter in $112, and then we'll click on save. Now you can see this is processing, and I'll receive it in my RedotPay account to spend, and I'll just be able to spend it on the virtual card. So if you want a RedotPay account and you want a virtual crypto debit card, click on the link in the description. If you want to sign up to their affiliate program and start making money with it, click on that link too.